Hey everyone! If you've got a PDF file that's way too big, can't send it by email, or it fails to upload to a website, here's a quick and easy way to fix that. So here I've got a PDF file with a few images, and its size is around 90 megabytes. I'll just double-click the file, and it'll automatically open with the Preview app. If it doesn't open in Preview, just right-click the file, go to Open With, and choose Preview. Once the file is open, look up at the top left corner of your screen and click on File. Then choose Export. A small window will pop up. For the Format option, keep it as PDF. Right below that, you'll see a line that says Quartz Filter. Click that, and then choose Reduce File Size. Now just choose where you want to save the new file and hit Save. After compressing, the PDF file is now under 3 megabytes. Let's take a quick look and compare the image quality before and after compression to see if it dropped too much. Not bad at all. The quality didn't go down that much. Just a heads up, the amount of space you can save really depends on what's inside the file. So in some cases, it might not reduce a whole lot. Hopefully this little trick saves you some time and keeps you out of trouble when sharing your PDFs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.